with us as well.
Engineers have endorsed the court's decision to uphold the National Infrastructure Fund, describing it as a major boost for financing critical development projects and creating jobs for Kenyans. The profession is now calling for engineers to be represented in the fund's governance and policy-making structures. They are proposing that a portion of the fund be set aside to clear pending bills owed to contractors and consultants.
Funds are required to mobilize funds. The first thing the National Infrastructure Fund will do is mobilize funds from financial institutions and from government for development of specific infrastructure. What does this do? It ensures first that the infrastructure projects are constructed on time, the right quality, and they are completed. When these infrastructure are being developed, there's a lot of work for engineers and for all other Kenyans.
Female engineers are there, like in the graduate engineers, the registered graduate engineers, there are actually very many female engineers. So the transition into professional engineers, gender notwithstanding, if the Women in Engineering forum is actually is better and the capacity is increased, I think naturally more women will transition.
Innovation and